The Microsoft Knowledge Base has a wealth of information about different subjects regarding Business Central. Just here, I've Googled Business Central keyboard shortcuts, and this is the page that I've come up with. We have come up with for a graphical view of most shortcuts, as you can see here. Now this is comprehensive. There are a lot of shortcuts that can be taken advantage of. But on this page, we're going to go back and review as I scroll through. There's just general things that are relatively sensible and good to know for using Business Central. I'm now going to show you some of my favorites. Within Business Central, one of the common items is where you're in a table and you're requiring to enter multiple fields. So I'm just clicking here in the item number and I'm going to press F8. It's just copied for me exactly what was the field above, just like that. When I'm in the home screen and I want to see the global search or tell me, I hit Alt Q. Alt Q. Straight away brings up the search. It's useful. If we're in a list of items and without clicking straight to search, I can press F3 and start typing chair. Okay, another way that we can do this is I could go to the chair and on the keyboard click Alt F3 and it's going to filter to that value automatically. And I'm going to filter to this value and it's just continued to add on top of each other. So all I've done there is hit Alt F3. Filter to this value. One useful transaction is when you want to see who created a sales order or created any document within the system. So I'm going to go into this document, but I'm going to press Control Alt F1 and it's going to load page inspection. And here you can see all of the fields that are available behind this table. I can search created and it was created by Demo Admin at this time. Take note, please look up the keyboard shortcuts. Find what is useful for you. There are many favorites available. Different people seem to be attracted to different shortcuts. We will leave a link to this within the comments. Thank you.